Alrighty, so you guys already know what it is. We're talking about the WR250R, and I got a package in the mail today. I've already had a sneak peek inside, and it looks glorious. As soon as you guys see this, you're gonna understand exactly where we're going with the revamp. So let's take a peek. Woohoo! You guys already know what's up. Doing the same treatment to the old trusty WR250R. I hope they didn't send me the WR250F seat cover. That would be not very good. So let's check that out. Wasn't planning on making a video today, but this thing showed up. What do you say we install this thing? Let's freaking go. Thank you, buddy. Ow. I always hated that about this seat. All right, so we're here at the old garage. All I'm gonna do now is pry up all the old staples and then pull them out with some pliers. So, fun. Let's give her a go. All right, so I've kind of been going wild, going a little bit crazy, going absolutely insane. So let me just explain where I'm at here. First thing I did is just tack the front on here. Then I stretched it and tacked the back in the middle. And then I pulled down each side and tacked right where your legs go. And then I'm just slowly working frontwards, and then I'm gonna slowly work backwards. You've seen me do it for the YZ. It's looking pretty good, much better than the stock one. Anyway, I'm just gonna keep busting this out, and we'll see what it looks like when it's on the bike. Wow. Oh hell yeah, I think it's pretty sick. Now you guys probably understand what's going on here. Doesn't match the current graphic scheme that's going on, so we might be having to change that, you know what I mean? I think as far as seat covers go, these thrillseekers ones are probably the best ones you can get. Super, super grippy because of these guys. It's all like a nice rubbery, easy to clean fabric. Now I'm gonna take it out for a quick test ride and see if I can do some dank nooners. Alrighty, I gotta show you this. I was just painting a buddy's gas tank. Woo-wee. Gotta love it. What we're doing today is making my bike a little quieter. So as you saw in the video of installing this, or installing the exhaust, we started up with the baffle in, and then we took the baffle out. It sounded way better. Way too quiet with the baffle in. But it's super drony, I found, after driving it for about 1,000 kilometers. So what I've gone ahead and done is I've drilled out a bunch of these holes here, and I'm gonna cut the end of this off, cut this downturn thing flush. We're gonna sandblast it, Cerakote it black. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so yeah, we'll just load this in.